Have you ever stopped to consider the transformative power of cryptocurrency? The astonishing pace at which it's reshaping our global financial landscape is nothing short of revolutionary. Welcome to this exploration into the enigmatic world of digital currencies. In the headlines today, Kraken, a renowned cryptocurrency exchange, recently announced that it has not been significantly affected by news concerning FTX, another major player in the crypto market. Kraken reassured its users that it holds no exposure to FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried's trading firm, Alameda Research. It is noteworthy that amidst the fast-paced, often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency, certain entities remain steadfast and unfazed. On the other side of the spectrum, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is currently under the microscope. U.S. officials are investigating potential instances of insider trading and market manipulation within the exchange. While Binance has not been accused of any wrongdoing, this news highlights the importance of vigilance and transparency in the cryptosphere. In response to the scrutiny, Binance has expressed a desire to improve its relations with regulatory bodies and has scaled back its product offerings. This move underscores the delicate balance that must be maintained between innovation and regulation, a common theme in the cryptocurrency narrative. Meanwhile, the German government is planning to acquire the local division of Dutch grid operator Tennet. While seemingly unrelated, this news emphasizes the intertwining of traditional industries and technological innovation, a trend that is becoming increasingly prevalent. Now, let's take a step back and reflect. The world of cryptocurrency is a dynamic one, filled with intriguing developments and dramatic shifts. It's a world where innovation thrives, and where the traditional and digital realms are becoming ever more intertwined. In the grand scheme of things, these news stories serve as reminders of the transformative power of cryptocurrency, the importance of transparency, and the ongoing dialogue between innovation and regulation. They underscore the fact that the world of cryptocurrency is not just about digital coins, but a broader shift in the global financial landscape. As we wrap up, remember these key takeaways: the resilience of crypto exchanges like Kraken, the scrutiny faced by platforms like Binance, and the ongoing dialogue between traditional industries and the world of cryptocurrency. This is the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, where every development is a piece of a larger, more complex puzzle.